Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing fantastic. And today we got another box. This comes to us from TacPack. But before we get into it, make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Ring that notification bell so you do get notified when I upload new content. And with that, friends, let's do it. Alright, so we're back with TacPack, and as always, if you are interested in this particular subscription service, I will have a link to them in the description box of this video if you want to check them out. They have two flavors of boxes you can choose from. They have a standard and a plus. The cheaper one will run you $50 a month, and the plus will run you $130 per month. Let's see what we got. Let's see, do we have a card? Usually I think TacPack, they always give us a card, yeah? Where's the card at? Oh, uh-oh. All right, I see something that I'm going to like. Okay, so they do give us a little monthly card. Let's see, it says it's frigid out there. Warm up with the February TacPack. This one has some nice variety. Apparel, EDC gear, survival gear. A perfect combo for the self-sufficient individual. All right, all right. So what I pulled out with the card were some stickers. And we got one from Killer Innovations. You know, it's not really all that exciting, but we got another one here with Sonic holding a gas gun. This sticker's awesome. Yeah, I will say these stickers that I'm getting from some of these companies like TacPack, they're really cool. I really do dig on the stickers, so I'm not going to complain. Okay, let's see what we got here. We got some Ready Rope. What is this? This is just like some paracord on steroids. It says the most versatile cord dispenser ever made, but it's got rope, but it's got cord already on it. Okay, it's got a built-in cutting blade, tangle-free, reloadable and reusable. It's 550-pound paracord. Hiking, you know, everything. Okay, so this is just another way of storing it, and you know, keeping it from getting all knotted up in your pack and everything. And it does have up here at the top, let's see if I can get the glare off that, it does have a cord cutter right here, which, you know, believe it or not, something like that integrated into the piece of gear is nice, because you don't have to, you know, but I mean, generally you're always going to have your knife, but in whatever situation you don't have your knife, having that on there is, you know, definitely handy. And yeah, so they give you 100 feet of cord. The cutting blade, yeah, a gear loop, compact design, reusable. So yeah, it's from a company called it's called atwoodrope.com, ATWOODROPE.com. So yeah, this again, this is a company that I've never really heard of. So yeah, I will say this, in some of my prior unboxings, just the little plastic, you know, like container that you get that you feed your paracord into and then you just pull it out. I would prefer something like this over that. So, you know, I will definitely say that I do prefer to have something like this, that you just load it, you know, you just load it that way, rather than having to feed it into the little dispenser type deal. So yeah. Okay, it looks like we got some kind of compensator. Let's see. Okay, from Killer Innovations. Okay, the company that sent the sticker. I'll read about this in the book, but this looks like it's just like it's a compensator. So we'll check that out. And we got a box from Gerber that was opened. We got a shirt. Okay, and from Killer Innovations, they give us a little code here that will focus. And yeah, if you're so inclined, you can check that code out. It says home of the Velocity barrel, the most accurate pistol barrel on earth. Ooh, I will have to go check that out. I will go check that out myself. So there you go. All right, so we got that. Then we got a shirt. Let's see. TacPack. What does this say here? What is up? What is up with this shirt? What is up with this shirt? All right. There you go. There's the shirt. It's very big. Yeah. I guess it's supposed to be a play on Miami Vice. So, yeah. Miami Vice. All right. Not too crazy about the shirt, but yeah, there you go. Okay, so we got a hemp. This is a hemp-made rope fire starter. These things are really, really good. I have like two or three other brands that make this kind of stuff, and it's very easy, you know, very straightforward. You just peel this plastic off, cut it, put it down. It's really flammable, help you get a fire going. So this stuff's really, really nice to carry in your fire kit, or just throw it in your pack if you don't have a dedicated fire kit, you know? Yeah, so this stuff, it works. You know, what else can you say about it other than it works? Okay, we'll read about that. Let's see what's in this Gerber box that was already opened. What is this? This is this is an armbar. Okay, well I know what this is. This is a little multi-tool because I actually have one. I have a Gerber armbar. I don't recall it coming in a box this big. Okay, but be that as it may, that's what we got. And man, that is some seriously, seriously big zip ties, and I do not have my cutters. Okay, but anyway, I will say this, I like the color. It's got like an olive, and a black color. And I wish I had something to cut these super thick zip ties. I don't want to use my blade because I don't want to run the risk of cutting myself. So I just rather use some snips and cut them. But if you don't know, you can, you know, it's kind of like a multi-tool, or it is a multi-tool, but it's just very, very, obviously it's very small. But yeah, I do dig on the color because I don't think mine is this olive color. I think mine's just, you know, the whole thing is just black. So yeah, okay, so I already know about that. And like I said, sorry I don't have any cutters up here to cut those big zip ties off. And like I said, I don't want to be messing around on this camera with trying to cut those zip ties with my blade and then accidentally cut myself. So yeah, I'm not gonna get into that. Alright, so what is this? What is this thing? Okay, this looks like a pocket fire kit, like a fire. Oh man, with a bunch of small stuff. Okay, we got some O-rings. We got a little steel thing. We got a little piece of cordage. I don't know if you can see that or not, but we got some little O-rings that came out. Let's see. Okay. Is there something in here? Okay, so we got one compartment. Has a ferro rod that you can replace. Now that goes the length, right? Yeah. Okay, so this end, the ferro rod just feeds into it. Is that where one of the... Okay, there's an O-ring there. Okay, so you do have an O-ring right there to protect the ferro rod. And then you have a striker on this end. Let's just make sure. Let me make sure I'm giving you guys accurate, up-to-date information. Yep. Yep, that's it. And they give you some extra little O-rings for when these wear out. And there is also an O-ring. Well, they give you two. There's one for the striker, and that's a very, very small little striker. But, you know, it will get the job done. It does have a nice place to get a grip like this in between your thumb and your index finger so you can strike on it. So yeah, not too shabby. I've never seen one of these. I've never seen this particular item before. I have seen little small, little Faro type kits like this. They have a ferrocerium rod and then some kind of striker. Under the assumption that you can't use the back spine of your knife, whether it be a little carry knife or a full-fledged like bushcraft knife, and which is totally fine because this thing is really small. This thing is super small. It doesn't take up a whole lot of real estate. And yeah, it does have a lanyard hole. So they give you this little piece of paracord here that you can weave through this hole that's just big enough for it. And you could tie it off. You could do whatever. Put it on a little carabiner. Put it in, like I said, it doesn't take up a lot of real estate. It's about the same size diameter-wise as a pencil, or a pen. It's not very big. So yeah, there you go. Very nice little integrated little fire starter there. Always something handy, especially something like this, because this also applies for your EDC, right? Because it is so small and compact. So if you were of the mind that you needed that for an EDC kit, there you go. That's a very small, very compact piece. Okay, let's see what our card here has to say. Again, we did not get any prices, right? No prices. Okay, so we got the Gerber armbar slim drive tool. Like I said, it's a minimalist approach while giving you the tools. Cutting, driving, and opening a beer. Very important when you're needing to survive. It's a 2.5-inch long driver with a 2-sided 1/4-inch bit. Let's see, that's all they say. It just says it'll get you out of a jam. Put it on your keychain. You guys, if you watch my videos, you know how I feel about putting stuff on your keychain. I'm not really going to do it. Okay, then we got the Atwood Ready Rope Tool. It says this is the ultimate rope and cord management tool, compact and versatile. It says, we like this product because it's innovative and organized. I will tend to agree. It says this comes preloaded with a 100 feet of 550 cord ready for use. It has a built-in storage compartment. You can keep survival items like a lighter, fire striker, fish hooks, splicing tools, meds, multi-tools, etc. So yeah, again, taking something like this and putting in and sort of baking into it other functionality doesn't take away from actually what the product is. It just does nothing but enhance it. So I'm all for that. Then we got the shirt, which I don't really care too much about the shirt. Then we got the Squatch rope fire starter, which is made in the USA. It says it's windproof, waterproof, non-toxic, eco-friendly. Made in the USA from all natural hemp. Has a 101-year shelf life. That's very, very specific. A 101-year shelf life. And it says you can get up to 50 fires from a single rope. So yeah, like I said, you can't go wrong. Then we got the, let's see, the Poly Striker tool, which is our little ferro rod striker tool. They don't really say a whole lot about that. Just it's small and you can use it to light your Squatch rope, which you certainly can do. Let's see. Okay, then we got the sticker. Okay, the plus item here is a Killer Bee, which I'm going to assume is going to be this. It's a Killer Innovation long range muzzle brake. It says, now they do have a price on it. They have $142 for this particular muzzle brake. And it says it's made in the USA. It comes with 5/8 24 threads. Let's see. I mean, there's not really much to say. It's just a muzzle brake. So yeah, is it easy to get this thing open? And right now this is something I definitely do not have a need for. I don't have a need for a muzzle brake at the moment because all of my particular distance stuff is already built, made, ready to go. Let's see. Okay, we do have some front. Let's see. That's interesting. We do have some front ejection ports. I'll tell you what, now that I'm looking at this, this is an interesting design. It looks good. It looks really, really good. Usually I just have you know, most all of my brakes, you know, they're out the side, but this one actually has two ports there in the front. So you will get some blow out the front, which, you know, is fine. So yeah, I might actually throw this on one of my long range and see what it do, just out of curiosity. I do like it has slots cut in it. Let's see. See, it has a slot cut here and then a slot kind of cut in here, just more for, you know, aesthetics, really, more than anything, just for how it looks, and a little bit of, you know, that little bit of material shaved off reduces how much it weighs, obviously, but yeah. It is a good looking, I will say this, it's a good looking little muzzle brake. So yeah, we'll have to try it. Just see. All right. They're saying that has $142 value, I'm assuming. That's one of the only things they put in here for this. So we are in this for, I believe, $129. Would that be right? $129? See, they don't say. It just, oh, it does say. It says TacPack Plus. Boom. Okay, so we're in this for $129.95. And we got useful, 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 useful. Just, you know, I'm kind of mad on the shirt, and I really dig on that. I really dig on Sonic packing that heat. So yeah, I really do like that. Okay, so comment section down below. Let me know what you guys think about TacPack Plus. Like I said, this is the Plus box. Let me know what you think about these particular items. Do you think for the value this was a good box? Because I think it's okay. I don't think you would have walked away without any, you know, value for the money that you paid. I think you wouldn't have been ecstatic, but you wouldn't have felt, you know, ripped off. How about that? Let's just say it like that. But that's the beauty of the comment section. Go down, hit it up down there, and let me know what you think about it. Let me know what you think if you would have got this box, or if you have been a subscriber to TacPack. Maybe you're not now, and if you were and are not, let me know why. Were you just overly disappointed, right? Whatever the case. But anyway, if you made it this far, I greatly appreciate it, and thank you. I will put some stuff up in the corners here, and with that, guys, I look forward to seeing all of you in the comment section down below, and I hope all of you are doing wonderful and all that good stuff. And yeah, I'm out of here, guys. I will see you next time. Peace.